और यहां है ना जो माइंड, इट इज ऑलवेज आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस। यह हमेशा प्रश्न करता है कि मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, why did it happen to me, या मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ, और why did it not happen to me. But I want to tell you one thing, there are many questions that have absolutely no answers. ऐसे बहुत से प्रश्न हैं जिनका कोई उत्तर ही नहीं है। यदि इस बात को स्वीकार कर लोगे, if you accept this, you will be peaceful at heart. हृदय में शांति रहेगी। यदि हर प्रश्न का उत्तर ढूंढने का प्रयत्न करेंगे, you want an answer to every question, you will keep forever searching. वो खोज कभी खत्म नहीं होगी। Why does sun revolve the way it does, or rotate the way it does on its own axis? क्यों है अंतरिक्ष में सूर्य? Just is, बस है। उस प्रश्न का क्या उत्तर ढूंढोगे? What answer will you give to that? Every day science is coming with new theories. नए नए उत्तर लेकर आ रही है विज्ञान जो है, साइंस है। But every so often it changes. They'll come with a newer theory. एक और। तो कुछ प्रश्न ऐसे होते हैं, खास करके जब मनुष्य जीवन में कुछ खोता है, especially when you lose something. Then you question, why did it happen to me? There was this really famous tennis player, and it's a real life story, and he had won these Grand Slams. बहुत उसने championships जीती थी, and later he was diagnosed with cancer. A young player. In his early 30s, he was given a few months to live. 30 या 31 साल का, was 30 or 31, and he was told you have few months to live. कुछ ही महीने बचे हैं। तो लोगों ने उसको ईमेल्स करनी शुरू की, अपने मैसेजेस भेजने शुरू किए, प्रेम के, हीलिंग के, all those. And then some of those messages said, how could God do this to you? ईश्वर तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकता था? He said, there are about 3 million people in my country alone who play tennis. 30 लाख से ज़्यादा लोग टेनिस को प्ले करते हैं, खेलते हैं। उसमें से मुश्किल से 300,000 people out of that reach a certain level. Out of those 300,000, only 30,000 people reach circuit A. 30,000 के लोग उस सर्किट में पहुंचते हैं। Out of those 30,000, around 3,000 people make it to the elite players. 3,000 के करीब वहां तक पहुंचते हैं। Out of those 3,000, 300 get to compete in national championships. 300 के करीब ऐसे होते हैं जो अंतर्राज्यीय स्तर पर खेलते हैं, राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर। Out of those 300, around 30 ever play at international level. उन 300 में से 30 ऐसे मुश्किल से होते हैं जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर खेलते हैं। Out of those 30, only 3 or 4 people make it to the semi-finals. 4 लोग होते हैं जो किसी ऐसे चैंपियनशिप के सेमीफाइनल तक पहुंचते हैं। Out of those 4, only 2 make it to the finals. केवल 2 ही फाइनल मैच तक पहुंचते हैं। And only 1 wins. केवल एक ही व्यक्ति जीतता है। All those years, when I was that one person जो बार बार जीत रहा था, और पिछले सब वर्षों में जब मैं जीत रहा था, I never asked God why me. तब मैंने ईश्वर को कभी नहीं पूछा कि मुझ पर इतनी कृपा क्यों कर दी। Why did you bless me with so much that I became that 1 out of 3 million, or even 1 out of 7 billion for that matter. तब तो मैंने पूछा नहीं कि मुझ पर इतनी कृपा क्यों की। Why did I become the chosen one? Now when life is not going according to me, अब जीवन मेरे अनुकूल नहीं है, what right do I have? क्या अधिकार है मेरे पास पूछने का कि why me? कि मैं क्यों? मनुष्य हमेशा दुख में प्रश्न करता है, इसीलिए उसके प्रश्न का कभी उसको उत्तर नहीं मिलने वाला। ढूंढते रहो। You can keep asking, but you will not get the answer. Because we ask when things are not according to us. उस समय हम पूछते हैं, मुझे मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? जब जीवन ठीक चल रहा है, when life is going fine, why don't you ask at that time? Why me? तब क्यों ये प्रश्न नहीं आता? Many years ago, when I came to India, my father said to me that, you've been blessed with everything. तुम्हारे पास सब कुछ है. You should distribute whatever you can among the poor. And I said, I'm engaged in many endeavors. But he said, no, specifically, directly. तुम कुछ करो गरीबों के लिए. I said, okay. Anything specific that comes to your mind? He said, winter आ रही है. सर्दी आ रही है. Winter is approaching. Why don't you go and distribute blankets? And I said, okay, it's a good idea. So I bought some, I think 200 or 300, I don't remember, maybe 500 blankets, I don't remember how many. It wouldn't fit in one time in the four-wheel drive, all I remember. So I bought a lot of blankets. And with my driver and one other person from my company, we stocked up the blankets in our four-wheel drive. And we went for a round. In the middle of the night, मध्य रात्रि में एकदम कोहरा छाया हुआ था और हम गाड़ी लेकर निकल पड़े. And we saw people on the footpath, pavements. लोग दिखे सोए हुए हैं. Some had wrapped, these cardboard boxes around them. Some had wrapped newspapers. Some were just curled up. कोई ऐसे सिकुड़ के सोए हुए हैं, कुछ कैसे कैसे सोए हुए हैं. So when we were giving them blankets, जब हम blankets उनको दे रहे थे, कंबल, तो किसी ने सोचा पुलिस आ गई. Somebody thought the cops have come to, because they're not supposed to sleep in a public place like this. And किसी ने सोचा कोई तंग करने आ गया है. Somebody thought somebody has come to just bug us in the middle of the night. Some drunk person has come. But when they saw blankets, about 40%, 40% जो थे उन्होंने तुरंत खोल के ओढ़ लिया. 40% they opened and they immediately took it. And suddenly from nowhere, we don't know, a crowd came running towards. A crowd means about 10 to 15 people. They came running. हमारे पीछे पीछे, like we slowed down the car. कुछ लोग आगे से आ रहे हैं. Some people are coming from the front. Suddenly they thought maybe we'll run out of blankets. उन्होंने सोचा शायद हमारे कंबल खत्म हो जाएंगे. उसमें से एक लड़की थी. There was a girl. She was physically challenged. And the way she was behaving, she was perhaps mentally challenged as well. And she was running towards us, और वो गिर गई. She fell down, she could not keep her balance. I was devastated to see that scene. We distributed the blankets and we went to this person's home. It was a different city. And when I went, I could not go to sleep. मुझे नींद नहीं आई because जब मैं ऐसे सोया हुआ था, मुझे छत दिख रही थी. When I was lying down, I saw the roof. And my room was heated. मेरा गर्म था. I had a quilt. I had a comfy bed. And I thought, what karma have I done to have this? ऐसा कौन सा कर्म किया है कि छत मिली हुई है, वस्त्र मिला हुआ है, एक रजाई मिली हुई है. I have cloth on my body. I have clothes on my body and I have a quilt. I'm sleeping on a bed. And they were sleeping on the footpath, on the pavement. Plus, I thought, where would these guys cook? कहाँ ये भोजन बनाते होंगे? In the morning, where would they cook their meals? Where would they take a bath? कहाँ नहाते होंगे? And even if I was told when I was about to give these blankets, a lot of people said, some people who ever got to know a little bit, oh, don't worry, they sell it. ये लोग आगे बेच देते हैं कंबल. I said, when I gave them the blankets, I said, I don't mind if they sell it. Because A, they will need that money, and B, where will they keep the blanket anyway? If they have to work during the day, अगर दिन में उनको काम करना है, कहाँ कंबल लेके घूमेंगे? Where will they? So at that time, I thought, ऐसा क्या कर दिया? What so special did I do that I don't have to worry about those things that they have to worry about? When you have enough good in your life, be grateful. कृतज्ञ रहना चाहिए क्योंकि बहुत है. You have plenty to be grateful. If you will keep complaining and if you keep crying, that will become your nature. फिर वही आपकी आदत हो जाएगी. फिर वही चलता रहेगा जीवन में. जीवन में हमेशा कम ही प्रतीत होगा. जब उस स्त्री का एक जवान पुत्र चला गया तो बुद्ध के पास जाती है. When that lady lost her son, everybody knows the story. She goes to Buddha and says, I've lost my young son. I've heard so much about you. Please bring him back to life. उसको वापस ले आओ. And Buddha said, अपनों से बिछुड़ना सुनिश्चित है. Departing from the loved ones is inevitable. It cannot be avoided. She said, but why me? मेरा पुत्र ही क्यों? मैं ही क्यों? Why my son? Why me? Buddha said, there is no answer. इसका कोई उत्तर नहीं है. कोई उत्तर नहीं है. This question has unfortunately no answer. She said, no, but you are a saint. You are the enlightened one. आपको तथागत बताया गया है, gone beyond. Please bring him to life. Bring him back to life. उसका जीवन वापस डाल दो, उसके शरीर में प्राण डाल दो. And Buddha said, okay, go get mustard seeds from any home that hasn't lost somebody. जाओ उस घर से सरसों लेकर आओ जिस घर में आज तक कभी मृत्यु ना हुई हो. So the lady went, knocked on every single door. कई जगह जगह नॉक किया, खटखटाया कि मुझे सरसों दे दो. सबने बोला दे देते. Everybody said yes, you can have mustard. Then she said, but have you had any death in your house? तुम्हारे घर में किसी की मृत्यु हुई है? सबने बोला हाँ, हमारे दादा थे, फला थे, कौन थे? All those relatives, they named, they died. Well, then I can't have mustard from your home. तुम्हारे घर से नहीं ले सकते. पूरा गांव छान मारा, the whole of village, but नहीं मिला. She went back to Buddha. बुद्ध के पास वापस चले जाती हैं और बोलते हैं कोई घर नहीं मिला ऐसा. She had that realization that yes, death is inevitable. मृत्यु तो आएगी. And sometimes it comes early. ये एक इवेंट है. कोई करोड़पति बनता है 50 वर्ष की आयु में. Some people become a millionaire when they're 50. Some become millionaires when they're 20. Just like good things can happen at unusual times. जिस प्रकार जीवन में अच्छी चीजें भी असमय पर हो सकती हैं, ऐसे ही कष्टदायी भी असमय पर हो सकती हैं. Sometimes painful things can also happen at the wrong time. Because unfortunately, nature has no emotions. प्रकृति के पास कोई भाव नहीं है. जब सुनामी आती है, जब बाढ़ आती है, when there is tsunami or flood, या भूचाल आता है, when there is earthquake, nature does not say, oh, this is a new family. कि ये नया नया परिवार है, let me leave these guys and take all the other ones. Let me round up on all the old people. Nature doesn't work like that. Nature is moving. प्रकृति है, उसका जो चक्र है, पहिया है, the wheel is just moving. चल रहा है, उसके बीच में आप आ गए bad luck. Really, that's the only explanation that I have. Just like good things happen and we have no answer. किसी की लॉटरी लग जाती है, क्यों लग जाती है? Somebody wins a lottery, why? This life is a lottery, somebody loses it sometimes. And I think when we go through the pain of loss, जब उस दर्द से हम गुजर रहे होते हैं, don't try to resist it. उसको ओवरकम करने की कोशिश नहीं करनी चाहिए. Don't try to figure out a way to come out of it, because you won't be able to come out of it by trying to come out of it. एक जगह चोट लगी हो, if you're wounded somewhere and you keep checking, oh, how do I fix it? How do I fix it? How do I fix it? You'll scrape it more. और दुखेगा. It'll pain even more. Leave it. Accept it that I have a question for which I don't have an answer. सिलेबस में, क्वेश्चन पेपर में एक ऐसा प्रश्न आ गया है जिसका मुझे उत्तर नहीं है मेरे पास. And then leave it and let nature do its work. We think we are the center of the universe, but that's not true. हम सोचते हैं कि पूरी प्रकृति हमारे अनुसार ही चल रही है. हमारे साथ कुछ घटित होता है, why me? मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है? But just like there are billions and billions of cells in human body, कितने कितने छोटे छोटे कोश हैं, जीवाणु हैं. कोई एक सेल खराब हो जाता है, one cell goes bad. That cell can't say why me. That question why me has no answer. Just is. To live in that sentiment, just is, कि है, वही साक्षात्कार है, वही आत्म साक्षात्कार. I'm telling you the truth. To be able to live without questions in your head, which means a quiet mind. That you live in the present moment. वर्तमाने वर्ततोऽपि स योगितमय उच्यते. जो वर्तमान में जी सके, but the one who can live in the present moment, such a person alone is a true yogi. And such a person alone will sail across the ocean of life as well as sail in the ocean of bliss.